Hey guys, today we're going to do a video about my unboxing. So you can tell by the title, it's about a balisong, or butterfly knife, whatever I put it. But I'm going to pause the video so I can open it. Okay, I opened it. So what I got, Ice Tech. Ooh, there's a little weight to it. Oh yeah, it has one of these. It's a one of those practice knives. Let me see if I can do it. Oops, that's the bite handle. Is this? Yeah, that's the bite. So the side with this, this part is the bite handle. The part with this isn't. I just need. It looks big in my hand. Like, would you consider that big in my hand? Because it's small. Isn't the knife going to be like this? No. Okay, let's go do it. Did it. Got it off Amazon. Pretty good deal. It's only $10. Pretty big knife. Yeah. Oh, I also use this thing. And a pillow.